Oh boy, the big bad lease section. Well, we are here, aren't we? Not too bad. We will dive through this. There's a lot of similarities with bonds in terms of using our present value factors. We've also got lease classifications. Is it an operating lease? Is it a financing lease? I'm going to break that down and put it into plain English for you because this section could get heavy. And I don't want it to be that way. In my mind, there's no reason it can't just be a lot more down to earth and grounded. I'll put it in words we understand. And just like everything, there's a way to compare it to our day to day lives, right? Like leasing a car. That's something we're all a lot more familiar with than leasing a piece of machinery for a business. So I'll put it into real world terms. Let's see what our learning objectives are today. Well, we want to identify the criteria for classifying a lease arrangement. There's going to be a big grouping of classifications. We're going to memorize them and get through them. Calculate the carrying amount of a lease related assets and liabilities, prepare the journal entries, from both ends, right? We've got the lessor lessee relationship. So we've got both sides. That's going to be, numbers 2 and 3 here. We want to calculate the lease costs that a lessee should recognize in the income statement, right? Boom. Just more numbers, more numbers. We're going to talk about the whole lease process. And it's going to make a lot more sense. All right. We want to prepare journal entries that the seller or the lessee should record for a sale leaseback transaction. Get out of the way for you there. And we also want to calculate the amount of lease income that a lessor should recognize in the income statement. I'm going to block it again back here. Well, lots of numbers. I've got a whole process to describe to you. I've got a lot of my work cut out for me, right? Well, let's get into the material and get through it.